How to make a smart investment in Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is trusted by investors. Learn how to invest smartly. Investing in a cryptocurrency has currently become one of the many ways to make a financial investment. It is pretty difficult to avoid even considering the idea of investing in cryptocurrencies after hearing so much about the crypto market and the benefits of digital currency. Investors consider Bitcoin as one of the most trusted cryptocurrencies in the market. It is one of the first and the most popular cryptocurrency or digital currencies in the world. Currently, it is even used as a mode of payment and transactions in place of fiat money and a store of value. Over the past years, Bitcoin's success and increased value have acted as a catalyst for today's buyers to consider this crypto a trusted investment. It holds a major share in the market. Several critics and buyers have been debating about the future of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. The viability of the cryptos, as a mode of transaction in the future, is uncertain, keeping in mind the volatility of the market. Looking at the current movements of Bitcoin, its valuation has increased by over 763% in a year. In the first week of 2021, Bitcoin gained a record high value of $42,000. Later in the year, Bitcoin's value dropped by over 20%, dragging down the prices of the other cryptos as well. Investors need to adopt smart techniques to stay afloat in this fluctuating market. How to invest smartly in Bitcoin. To determine how to invest smartly in Bitcoin, it is imperative to understand why to choose this crypto as an investment. It has great returns, but recent movements in the market have proved that the cryptocurrency is volatile and is heavily fluctuating. Such volatility serves as an advantage to risk-friendly investors who are looking for quick and easy returns. Bitcoin was initially designed as a deflationary asset. Over the years, investors have started considering it as an alternative asset for investments. Even the large-scale business leaders are converting their cash to Bitcoin to protect from inflation. Here are some steps that will guide you to take smart actions before investing in Bitcoin. Dividing the investment in more than one coin. One of the chief concerns for Bitcoin investors is the fluctuation and dive in the value. Before investing, it is important to minimize the risk of financial losses. Hence, an excellent strategy would be to invest in more than just one coin. Apart from Bitcoin, there are several other cryptocurrencies in the market which have shown considerable improvement over the past year. Studying the market and the current movement of the cryptos is important before any investments. Choosing a reliable crypto exchange. The easiest way for investors to add Bitcoin to their portfolio is to buy them through an exchange. Analyzing the market and researching for a good crypto exchange would simplify the technical process. Investors should verify the details before choosing an exchange. It is also important to ensure the platform is straightforward to use. Invest based on the risk strength and not the hype. A smart crypto investor will not invest based on the hype but will always consider the ability to take the risks and investment opportunities. There are many investment opportunities apart from cryptocurrencies that are not risk-prone. In case of confusion, investors must take advice from experienced crypto professionals and investors. It is not easy to make money in the crypto market. One needs to have patience and the right knowledge to make the investments worthwhile. Thank you for watching. Please like and share and subscribe for more interesting videos.